go too far. Nye Tian, do you think you can defeat me? Ba Ziliang reacted, his eyes released a poisonous light, his throat became hoarse, and he said, Nye Tian, you forced me to do this. Huh? Nye Tian frowned slightly. Could it be that Ba Ziliang still has some cards? But it doesn't matter whether Ba Ziliang has a whole card because Nye Tian's next move is not something that Ba Ziliang can compete with. Nye Tian, prepare to die. Ba Ziliang roared again and again, and red flames sprang up from his body, making him feel like he was bathed in flames. Ba Ziliang's aura suddenly rose a lot, and his body exuded a more intense heat. The people around couldn't bear the high temperature of the fire and retreated again. Nye Tian looked at Ba Ziliang, immediately saw the clue, and murmured, a move that burns one's blood? Ba Ziliang, you are ruthless. Nye Tian guessed right. Ba Ziliang's rising aura was caused by burning his blood energy. Blood energy is equivalent to the vitality of a warrior. Ba Ziliang burned his blood and fought with all his life. Even if he could defeat Nye Tian, he would have to pay a heavy price. Looks like it won't work if I don't use that trick. Nye Tian sighed softly. He didn't know what the consequences would be if he used that trick. At this moment, the atmosphere was extremely tense. Everyone restrained their breathing and didn't blink their eyes, for fear of missing any wonderful shots. The third move is the one that decides the outcome of life or death. Nye Tian, you must hold on. Nye Wenyuan was sweating. After seeing Nye Tian's abnormality, he now really believed that Nye Tian might defeat Ba Ziliang. On the other side, Ba Wuli was also in a cold sweat. The strength Nye Tian displayed was too weird, beyond his comprehension. Now, he began to doubt the outcome of this battle. Nye Tian, you must win. Mo Rushi put her small hands on her chest and kept praying. Her eyes were closed, not daring to watch the next scene. Mo Tai, on the other hand, has a calm expression. As long as Mo Rushi is not involved, he can remain calm. He is now looking forward to the next third move. Nye Tian, pay the price for your arrogance. Ba Ziliang yelled wildly, and the flames on his body became more intense. The next moment, he stabbed out with a sword, and the flames on his body exploded, condensing into a flaming sword and stabbing at Nye Tian. In the instant of life and death, Nye Tian's face was calm, and his feet did not move at all. A strange seal quickly formed on his palm. The next moment, a strange scene happened. The air around Nye Tian seemed to be a little strange, and with each of his handprints, the whole space seemed to be shaking. At this moment, everyone seemed to have hallucinations, and the spiritual power of the world within a radius of tens of meters was revolving around Nye Tian. Mo Tai's eyes suddenly became dull at this moment, and the shock in his heart couldn't be further increased. If I'm not mistaken, Nye Tian is mobilizing the power of the surrounding world. Then, in the next moment, Nye Tian's handprint was completed. At this moment, the spiritual power of heaven and earth and space seemed to be mysteriously drawn by a certain weak and frantically poured into Nye Tian's body. This feeling was as if the sky suddenly collapsed and tilted towards Nye Tian. The murder seal. Open. Nye Tian said calmly. His body suddenly burst into unmatched momentum, and immediately a large golden handprint pressed toward Ba Zixing. Impossible. This is impossible. Feeling Nye Tian's terrifying aura, Ba Wuli lost his voice one after another, unwilling to believe everything in front of him. Use the power of heaven and earth. Almost at the same moment, the voices of Mo Tai and Nye Wenyuan sounded. The two of them were the only Vientiane warriors present, and they were the only ones who could see how Nye Tian had erupted with such a powerful aura. Nye Tian's strength was not as good as Ba Zixing's, but he took advantage of the power of heaven and earth, forcibly borrowed the spiritual power of heaven and earth from the surrounding space, and merged it into his origin veins. Only in this way can Nye Tian make a shocking move. Boom! The golden handprint directly smashed through the fire sword and hit Ba Zixing, causing him to fly upside down. After flying more than 10 meters in the air, he hit the ground heavily. Psst. At the same moment, Nye Tian's body trembled, and a mouthful of blood spewed out wildly. Nie Wen Yuan quickly stepped forward and supported Nie Tian. What Nie Tian used just now was his famous technique from his previous life, the killer seal among the three seals of God of War. The three seals of the God of War, the seal of killing people, the seal of extinguishing earth, and the seal of exorcism. In his previous life, Nie Tian, with the three seals of the God of War, killed countless powerful natural enemies. Today, he is using the three seals of God of War again, but it is against the little scum of the fourth level of Yuanling. It is ridiculous to think about it. Nie Tian's current strength is too weak. If he does not rely on the power of heaven and earth, it is impossible to use the seal of killing people. Although he managed to use the killing seal, its power was not as powerful as Nie Tian's peak moment, 1 in a billionth. If so, this extremely crippled killing seal is enough for Ba Zixing to drink a pot. Patriarch, are you all right? Nie Wen Yuan supported Nie Tian, and a forceful force entered Nie Tian's body, which immediately eased his expression a lot. Forcibly using the killing seal, Nie Tian became very weak. Nie Tian smiled faintly, pointed at Ba Ziliang, and said, "I'm fine, much better than the second young master of the Ba family who doesn't have the surname Ba." Nie Tian's words made everyone laugh. Ziliang. Ba Wuli finally came to his senses at this moment, wailed, and threw himself on Ba Ziliang. "Father!" Ba Ziliang yelled weakly. His body was bloody, but he was still alive. "Father is here! Father is here!" Ba Wuli was very excited and hurriedly sent Yuanli to Ba Ziliang. After a long time, a smear of blood gradually appeared on Ba Ziliang's pale face. "Aren't you dead?" The life of the second young master of the Ba family is really big enough. Nie Tian shook his head slightly, feeling ashamed that his killing seal didn't even kill a fourth-level Yuanling scum. "Nie Tian, I'll kill you." Ba Wuli handed Ba Ziliang into Ba Ren's hands, turned around abruptly, stared at Nie Tian with vicious eyes, and suddenly burst into an aura. "Patriarch Ba, are you acting as an old man for display?" Nie Wen Yuan stepped forward to protect Nie Tian, looked at Ba Wuli, and smiled coldly. As long as Ba Wuli dares to attack Nie Tian, Nie Wen Yuan will kill him. Nie Tian is the hope of the rise of the Nie family. Whoever dares to touch Nie Tian, Nie Wen Yuan will fight with all his might. At this time, the warriors of the Ba family took another step forward, and the atmosphere became tense again. Ba Wuli is already in a state of madness. Maybe he will fight with the Nie family. Although the Nie family has Nie Wen Yuan in charge, there are far fewer Yuanling realm fighters than the Ba family, and there is such a variable as Nie Centilli, so once the blood fights, the Nie family will suffer. Cough cough. Nie Tian coughed dryly at this moment, looked at Mo Tai, and said indifferently, "My lord, the two big families in Mojing City are about to go shopping. As the city lord, how can you bear it?" Mo Tai is not stupid, of course. He understood what Nie Tian meant, so he took a step forward, walked between Ba Wuli and Nie Wen Yuan, and said with a warm smile, "Don't be impulsive. Both of Nie's family and Ba's family belong to Mojing City. Big family, what can't you sit down and discuss? Why do you have to fight and kill? Isn't this a joke for the people of Mojing City? Listen to the city lord's persuasion. No one should do anything. Let's discuss it carefully and solve it slowly. Question. Mo Tai is worthy of being the lord of the city. These few words are beautiful. But Nie Tian knew that if it wasn't for Mo Rushi's fault, Mo Tai wouldn't be bothering about the affairs of the two families. Both the Nie family and the Ba family are threats from the Mo family, and the Mo family will benefit the most from the two families fighting together. My lord, what do you mean? Do you even want to protect the Nie family? Ba Wuli was impatient and wanted to reprimand Mo Tai. Mo Tai's face darkened, and he said coldly, "Patriarch Ba, are you questioning the intention of the city lord? Mo, as the lord of Mojing, is supposed to maintain the stability of the city. You two are fighting. Do you want the city lord to stand by and watch?" Ba Wuli heard that Mo Tai was a little angry, so he immediately calmed down and said, "My lord, you will be impatient and reckless next time. Please forgive me." The Ba family was already at odds with the Nye family. Offending Mo Tai at this time would be tantamount to seeking death. The lord of the city misses you dearly, and will not pursue it. Mo Tai said coldly. Ba Wuli wiped off his cold sweat, then glared at Nye Tien, and said, Nye Tien, you abolished my eldest son Ba Ziang, and now you injured my second son Ba Ziliang. Ritual oaths are not human. Yo! You still swear not to be human, so that you are now human. Nye Tien joked, and said, Ba Ziang was abolished by me, that's right. But that was provoking me first. As for Ba Ziliang, you also saw well, it's a fair duel between us, and life and death are in harmony with each other's destiny. Also, your Ba family bullied the Nye family for 3 years, during which time you annexed a lot of the Nye family's properties. As the head of the Nye family, I helped the Nye families to collect some interest, but divide. Nye Tien, you. Nye Tien spoke so rudely that he was about to vomit blood. Seeing that Ba Wuli was angry, Nye Tien sneered, immediately took out some gold coins, and said, Okay, Patriarch Ba, don't get angry. The matter of abolishing Ba Ziang was a whim of the Patriarch. These 10 coins the owner of the Patriarch should compensate Ba Ziang for the loss of gold coins at that time. The money is not much, and the Patriarch Ba should not think too little. As Nye Tien said, he handed over the 10 gold coins. Nye Tien, you are too deceitful. Ba Wuli was completely enraged. His old face was flushed, almost dripping blood. Too much deception? Nye Tien sneered, not wanting to tease Ba Wuli's patience, but said solemnly, Patriarch Ba, I would like to ask you. When Ba Ziang beat me to death, what did you do? Don't say that you are too much of a bully. When the Ba family came to the Nye's house to force a marriage, why didn't you say that you were too much of a bully? When the Ba family annexed the Nye family's property, why didn't you say that you were too much of a bully? Patriarch Ba, in my opinion, it's your Ba family who bullies people too much. Nye Tien couldn't help roaring at the end of his speech. Ba Wuli stared at Nye Tien with red eyes, but couldn't say a word for a long time. Patriarch Ba, I have already made compensation for the abolition of Ba Ziang. If you have nothing to do, please go back. Nye Tien was too lazy to talk nonsense with people like Ba Wuli, and he was unwilling to entangle him any longer. He said coldly,